This video, I'm going to show you how you can enable community tab or activate post features on your YouTube channel. So if you want to activate community tab on your channel, it is pretty much simple. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into YouTube Studio of your channel. And here I'm on my YouTube Studio. So if you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right. So to be able to activate community tab or to be able to share posts with your audience in YouTube, all you need to do is to go ahead and open YouTube Studio and then head to settings here and then click on it. From settings, choose the option called channel and then go ahead and click on feature eligibility. So if you click on this, you can see we have quite a number of features that are enabled here. So of important is this last feature, which is called advanced features. And if you tap on it, you can see here are the requirements for you to enable this feature, which is the essential feature for community tab. Now, as you can see for my case, this has been enabled, and the requirement is you need to have intermediate features enabled plus one of these two, either video verification, valid ID, or channel history. Now, apart from these two, the best way to enable this community tab to be active is just to give your channel time, and then as you continue to post, this feature will automatically be enabled, and then you'll be able now to start sharing posts with your community on YouTube. So that's how you can enable community tab on your YouTube channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.